परमा परञ्ज्योति कोटि चन्द्रादित्य किरण सुज्ञान प्रकाश.
My mission in life is to continue to work and be useful to the patients, students and to the society.
Team performs well. So I was lucky enough to have a fantastic team.
At General Surgery Department, we are very proud to honor you on this Doctor's Day.
As I walked here, I realized that this is an 800-year-old tradition.
So one girl called me and asked, "Are you Dr. Niranjan?" I said, "Yes, I am. Who are you?" She said, "You operated on me 25 years ago when I was less than 1 year. Found out you are the one who operated my cleft lip and palate. So I wanted to thank you on this day. I feel that is the greatest honor any doctor can get."